Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the DISM Restore Health scan stuck at 62.3%. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first things first is you have to go to your search and then search for CMD or command prompt, right click and then make sure to run it as administrator and click on yes on the pop-up. Now you will have this window and so you're going to enter these codes as follows. I'm going to leave all these codes in the description. So we're going to start with this one, net start bits. Then once it goes, it's going to start it. Then you're going to write for net start DOSVC. Then once that is done, you're going to click on net start USOVC. Then you're going to go for net start trusted installer. Once that is done, you're going to go for net start UASP. And once that is done, you're going to click on exit. And so it's going to close. Then you're going to search for PowerShell. You're going to right click, run as administrator again, click yes. Then in PowerShell, from here, you're going to just copy this code where it's going to be DISM online cleanup. And then once you do that, it's going to start it if you have a DSM going. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.